making a pomfret fry. This is pomfret. It's quite popular in India, like as a fried dish, and it's very tasty. Ooh. We will marinate the fish with all these ingredients after we mix it. I'm just slitting the fish a little bit so that the marination goes in. So I'll just put some paste inside of it. We're going to make a paste to marinate the fish, and we are gonna use these ingredients: onion, garlic, chillies, coriander, and some lime juice. Just adding a little bit of salt to the mixture. I love tangy food, so I'm gonna add a lot of lime juice. Let's mix it all. Okay, I'm gonna add turmeric and chili powder. So we have added some turmeric powder and red chili powder to the fish, and now I'm sprinkling some salt. Mix everything up and marinate the fish. I'm also going to add a little bit of mustard oil to it. Now we're gonna add this paste or mixture, and look at that, it all adds up well and gives a really nice taste to the fish. We'll let it sit for a few minutes. Hi! Ooh, hit the pan. Okay, I'm gonna pour the mustard oil. There's not much, but I have another bottle. Ready?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
La la la. Can you see the smoky smoke sun? Ready? It's gonna get